Okay. Which language do they speak in Israel?
Israel, they speak Hebrew language.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi, good evening. How are you doing?
very good evening. Yeah, I'm doing great. So, how are you? How about
I'm
you?
good. I'm good. Thank you for
Yeah,
asking. So, I'm
okay.
Sheetal and I'm from Mysore. Can you please introduce
Oh,
yourself?
yeah. I'm originally from southern part of India. So, as you said, you from Mysore. I'm also from Mangalore,
Oh, okay.
Karnataka.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh. I grew up in Bangalore.
My yeah, but currently I'm connecting from Israel. Yeah, my family is in
Oh.
India. I'm working as a
Mm-hmm.
personal assistant, one of the employer for the past 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all about me. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Wonderful. Here, would you like to speak about today's topic? It's outer space or deep ocean.
I'm,
You were given a choice.
I'm very bad at science in my school days.
Uh-huh.
Uh, like
Uh-huh.
I'm very bad at science and maths, so I'm not
Okay.
remembering the words like science vocabularies. Even I have studied in regional school. If I get some other topic also, I would be fine.
Okay. Since you are living in Israel, why don't you tell me about the place? See, I've never visited Israel, but I've heard so much about it. So,
Yeah,
can you
Israel
please
is
describe the place?
yeah. Yeah, geographically, Israel is a Middle East
Mm-hmm.
place. Israel country has sharing neighborhood states like Jordan, Palestine, and yeah, some I forgot. So yeah, some of the countries are there living with yeah nearby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and right? Israel is very famous for Jesus born in Israel,
Yeah, the
Jerusalem, the holy
Jerusalem.
place. And
Yes.
Palestine, Israel's border country, and Palestine. That there is one story about Jesus and Jesus' mother Mary. That
Mm-hmm.
story is there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, Israel is a freedom country. Yeah, like people are good and people are kind and honest. Yeah, there are a lot of tourism places are there to see. Yeah, many
Mm-hmm.
tourists are visiting to Israel. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
during their summer holidays and also winter
Mm-hmm.
holidays. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so that's all about. Yeah,
Okay.
whatever I know, I told you. Yeah,
Okay. All right. Why don't you tell me about the weather condition compared to India? Is it hotter or colder, or what is the weather condition there?
yeah. Just a few weeks back, summer has started here. Here, 7 months winter and 5 months summer, we could say. Also, including 7 months winter, like 1 or 2 months rain also, yeah, will be there in those
Okay.
season.
What is the
Yeah.
temperature like during winter season? How cold does it get?
During now summer is going on like 32, 35, and it's vary sometimes 38 and 42 also. In that time, more
No, in
humid.
winter. Okay, you're talking
No,
about summer.
summer.
Hmm.
Yeah, but during winter, three, also four and
Oh,
five.
that's
Yeah,
cold.
too much cold.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. How do you
yeah,
manage?
yeah. We have to wear jackets, and
Mm-hmm.
we put inside the heater rooms, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah. Then whenever you go out, and we go for with the safety jackets. Yeah, for protecting cold, and also
Mm-hmm.
wearing gloves as well. Yeah, those things are common in Israel. Yeah, like dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the culture there? See, here in India, it's all about family, you know, whether it is nuclear family or joint family. That is the kind of
Mhm.
environment that you have, right?
No,
Children
in
live with
Israel,
parents, etc., etc. What is the culture there?
in Israel is very different kind of culture they're following.
Mm-hmm.
Like as compared to India, like Israel is they're following Western culture. They're not staying together like with family. One, say for example, if boy or girl when they cross 20, they prefer for stay in a separate house. Yeah,
Mhm, mhm,
so that's they need a privacy, and parents also allowing for that. Yeah,
mhm, mhm,
so they don't live with the like us in India, like joint family and all, but they
mhm,
visit, yeah, often. Yeah,
mhm,
and Israel people are very, how I can say that, non-violence people. We could say that. I
mhm,
didn't
mhm,
see anywhere fights inside the Israel people. Like, say
mhm,
for example, whenever we are traveling, like they have more patience. Yeah, if anything stuck in between the road, if vehicles would not move, also they will not bang
mhm,
horn, and they keep patience. Yeah, so that's I would like to tell you. Yeah.
mhm, mhm. Okay. But I hear so much about the rift, Israel Palestinian.
Yes, yes. Like Gaza people, they're sending rockets to
Mhm, mhm,
Israel oftenly, and Israel has so very strong as far as concern military system.
mhm,
They have very
mhm,
good iron dome, strong. So their Israel people are hacking iron dome from the Gaza people. Yeah, and
mhm,
iron domes are very expensive. Yeah, so that is why Israel people are leading very good life as compared to their neighbor countries like Jordan and Palestine and all. Yeah,
mhm, mhm. Okay. Which language do they speak in Israel?
Israel they speak Hebrew language.
Mhm, mhm.
Mhm.
Does everybody know English as well?
No, like 50-60% people they speak Hebrew language, and 40% speak people speak English language. Yeah,
How do you manage them?
I speak a little bit English and I little bit Hebrew. Yeah, I know little bit basic in Hebrew.
Okay.
So yeah, I
Okay.
can manage. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Whenever I
Do
go to
you?
restaurant, whenever I go to supermarket, yeah, I could manage like basic Hebrew. Yeah, I speak with them.
Okay. Okay. All right. What are the markets like compared to India?
Sorry,
What are the markets like?
markets like how
Are they
India
as
like that only,
noisy as Indian markets? Are they as chaotic as Indian markets?
but
Vibrant
not
also?
like Indian markets. Indian markets are too crowded. No, here small markets are there, so everything you will get. Like fruits, vegetables, fish, chicken, including everything you will get. Small
Okay.
supermarket. Not like
Uh-huh.
Indian, like very big market, like many people are selling like street. But here also there, but that is as compared to India, Israel, they're doing very less. Yeah, like huge
Mhm,
market, we could
mhm.
say. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, could you please tell me about the food habits of people there?
Food, Israel people are like to eat like salad food and soup
Uh-huh.
and yeah, macaroni we say like soup, and
Uh-huh.
they like to eat shawarma kind of food, and they're eating more breads, yeah, rather rice.
Mhm, mhm,
Yeah, also they eat more protein food, yeah, like quinoa is there. It's kind of made out from like how we say in kadala we say in Kannada, yeah, in that
mhm,
way.
mhm,
Yeah, they eat kind of protein like
mhm,
peanuts kind of, yeah, they love that kind of food.
mhm,
Yeah,
mhm. Okay. Okay.
also they eat
Uh,
rice, very less portion. Yeah,
okay. Because as South Indians, we just eat too much rice, isn't it? We need
yeah,
rice for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
especially yeah, breakfast and lunch. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do you miss Indian food or do you cook at home?
I cook Indian food, but I miss Indian food, like kind of attending functions and all, in
Ah,
India,
uh-huh.
like marriage
Okay.
function and
Uh-huh.
different festivals. Yeah, I'm missing those. Yeah, functions,
Okay.
vacations. Yeah,
Okay. Are there Indians there?
yeah, yeah. Many Indians are there here. Yeah, nearby.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Sometimes I have a some of the I have a friend here. We go to shopping sometimes together, and we go to Indian grocery shop and we buy some Indian groceries. And also
Mm-hmm.
Indian restaurant also is there. Yeah, sometimes occasionally we go and eat. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What are the things that you feel that Indians in general can adopt from them?
Sorry,
What are the values or attributes that Indians can adopt from them?
Indians can adapt from Israel people, you say, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah, that's what I told you. Patience. Yeah, Indian people are having less patience. Yeah.
Okay, when it comes to this
and
and development, let's
and
not talk about the.
arguments. Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
arguments. Yeah, and yeah, in Israel, people are very cool, kind of. Yeah, like that.
okay.
Yeah, I have
I'm
no much
asking
complaint
mostly
because
because.
I don't want to be blame Indian people.
Okay, all right.
Mhm.
I know I'm asking about this one. The development, infrastructure,
Yeah,
education,
infrastructures
etc.
are very good in Israel. They are using high technical
Uh-huh.
and
Are they very
roads.
hardworking compared to Indians?
Yeah, Israel people are hardworking. Sorry.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Yeah, but yeah, because they have a lot of laborers also from India and other countries.
Uh-huh.
Like
Uh-huh.
their planning is very good and like proper plan they do for proper infrastructure they do, for
Mm-hmm.
constructing roads and buildings. Yeah, so that is why Israel is very famous. Yeah, Israel is a very small
Mm-hmm.
country. Like we could say that
Mm-hmm.
entire Mysore is equal to Israel.
Okay. So it's a small country.
Yeah, it is a small country. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Uh, how um, how fast paced is the development there compared to India? Because India too is developing at a wonderful pace, right?
I do not much about space.
I'm not talking about space. I'm talking about the development.
Okay, developments. So India is a diverse country and huge population, and that's why India is taking a little more time as compared to Israel
Mm-hmm.
because Israel is a very small country. So for them, effortlessly they're doing development. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and also their
Hey,
economic
we have
condition
good
also very good.
population, right? The amazing population, more workforce, more work can be done. But I guess it's the management that
Yeah,
is
because of
difficult.
population, if you increase means say you have to give a lot of things, right? Like poverty is there in India, like so much
Mhm.
free food. Right now government is doing some free and all, like kind of, but not
Yes,
like in
yes.
Israel. Yeah, but Israel also they are helping for people like very lower people. Yeah, kind of. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as compared to poverty, Israel people are less. Yeah, than India. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Yeah, you spoke beautifully. Here are some of the mistakes that I've noted down. Um,
census.
yes, yes. I am very bad at science. I was. We're talking about
Okay,
past,
I was
so.
very bad at science. Yeah,
Mhm.
I
Uh,
would say like
is
that.
a freedom country, is a free country, not freedom country.
Okay. Israel is
There
a
are
free
two
country, I would say, right?
free countries.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. There are
Mhm.
tourism places, tourist
Okay. Tourist
destinations.
place.
Mhm.
Okay.
People are visiting Israel. Two is not required there.
Okay. People are visiting Israel.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Or people visit Israel in
People
order
visit
to.
Israel.
Yes.
Mhm.
People are allowing for that. People allow that.
In order to entertainment, right? We could say.
No, no, not entertainment. Um, Rejuvenation, but then again, you mentioned that most people visit for a religious purpose, right?
Okay.
Pilgrimage as
Mhm.
pilgrimage. Say that.
Yeah.
Hmm. Um, Israel Israel is considered Jerusalem is considered as a holy place by three
Holy
different
place. Yeah.
religions, right? Muslims
Yeah.
also consider it as holy place, and uh,
Christian
Christian
and
and
Jewish
Jewish. Yeah,
Jewish
Jewish.
people. Yeah.
All three. Yes, yes. Parent, as far as military system,
Mhm.
I think you said something
As far
about.
as military concern, or as far as concern about military.
Uh-huh. Yeah. You should have mentioned military first. As far as military system is concerned, and then continue.
Mhm.
You just messed it up a
Okay.
little.
Okay.
I could manage Hebrew. I can.
I can.
If you say could, you're talking about fast. I
Okay.
can. Marriage function. See, marriage is what is between two people, the partners. But when it comes to ceremony or function, it is wedding ceremony, wedding
Wedding
function,
function. Wedding
wedding
ceremony.
ceremony.
Yeah.
Yes. Helping for people, helping people. Very lower
Okay.
people, it can say economically weaker section.
Mhm.
Has sharing neighborhood with Palestine? Shares
Okay.
border with.
Shares border.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the mistakes are with respect to tenses and prepositions and vocabulary.
Okay.
Otherwise, it's pretty fun. Doing a good job. I'm going to give you some words now. You have to make
Okay.
sentences. Is that okay? Or we don't have time at all. We're almost towards the end of the
Okay.
session. Do you have any
Yeah, we will
questions
do
for
it with
me?
next session. Yeah, maybe.
Do you have any questions for me? Anything at all?
I do not have any questions. And what you do as a profession, I would like to ask.
This is
I
my
mean, I'm
profession.
curious to
I
ask.
teach.
Yeah. Okay, you're
I'm
a
a teacher.
teacher. Okay.
I'm a full-time teacher. Yes.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah. Yes. Any other questions?
No, no, not like I do not have much questions. Yeah, whatever. I think you gave me very good feedback from my mistakes. I would like to rectify myself. Yeah,
And
in
hopefully
better
we'll
way.
connect